Built for everyday production environments, the QCS-400A circular saw is all about making aluminum cutting smoother, cleaner, and more reliable, without overcomplicating the process. Whether it's profile fabrication or batch processing, this machine is designed to help operators work with confidence. Stable clamping, controlled cutting motion, and consistent results even during long shifts. What makes it practical on the shop floor? Flexible angle cutting for different job requirements. Pneumatic support that keeps operations steady and efficient. Watch the video to see how it performs in real working conditions. If you're looking to improve cutting efficiency without sacrificing precision, this is a solid solution worth considering.